Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I am someone who loves having a sweet treat pretty much every day. So I have been so happy lately to have these Confetti Sweets cookie mixes on hand. Making cookies with these mixes has required such little effort, but the payoff has been huge. Now, I have made cookies from mixes before, but I actually was a little bit disappointed. They were kind of lacking what I would define as a really great cookie. These Confetti Sweets mixes, though, have completely blown me away. All of the cookies have turned out amazingly. They have these incredible textures, that chewy center, and the crisp edges. They've been just perfect. I love the fact that all I need to break out one of these cookie mixes is butter, which is something that I almost always have in my fridge. So I can make these cookies anytime I feel like it. I found that each of the different flavors are very distinct from each other. I really enjoyed every single flavor, but I think my favorite is probably a toss-up between the toffee chocolate chunk and the coconut. I think that these Confetti Sweets cookie mixes, besides being super convenient, they result in cookies that check all of the boxes for me. But that's just my point of view.